Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Chevy Colorado. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a Line-X spray-in bed liner here and the soft cover on top to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Colorado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.